Welcome to Learn and Fun with the Mall. Dear kids, today we are going to draw a beautiful helicopter. It will be bright yellow with blue windows and red blades. And while you are drawing this helicopter, I'll tell you an exciting story along the way. Are you ready? Let's begin. Peelo the helpful helicopter. Once upon a time, there was a yellow helicopter named Peelo, who lived in a small town where everyone loved him. His dream was to one day travel to faraway lands and help people while flying high in the sky. One day, Peelo heard that there was a school in a distant village where children were not receiving enough books. Without wasting a moment, Peelo decided to deliver the books to the children. He spun his red blades and soared into the sky. Along the way, he encountered thick clouds, but his blue windows helped him see the path, and he passed through the clouds easily. Then, a wide river appeared in his way, but Peelo spun his blades faster and flew right over it. Finally, Peelo arrived at the village, where the children were eagerly waiting. The kids jumped with joy when they saw him. Peelo opened his door and took out lots of books to give to the children. The kids were so happy and thanked Peelo for his help. Peelo smiled warmly and thought, helping others is so much fun. From that day on, Peelo helicopter flew everywhere to help. Another day, Peelo helps the lost puppy. One sunny afternoon, Peelo the helicopter was flying over a peaceful meadow when he heard a soft barking sound. Curious, he hovered lower and saw a little puppy wandering all alone. Looking scared and lost, the puppy had strayed far from home and couldn't find its way back. Peelo, always ready to help, gently landed nearby. The puppy wagged its tail in excitement, happy to see someone had come to help. Peelo knew that finding the puppy's home would be tricky, but he was determined. Using his powerful red blades, Peelo flew high into the sky and started scanning the nearby villages. Soon, he spotted a small house with a worried family outside, calling out for their missing puppy. Peelo quickly flew back to the puppy, gently scooped him up in his soft basket, and soared towards the house. When Peelo landed at the house, the family ran towards him, overjoyed to see their beloved pet safe and sound. The puppy jumped out and ran into their arms, barking happily. The family thanked Peelo with big smiles and grateful hearts. Peelo, feeling proud, smiled and said, "I'm always happy to help." Then he flew back into the sky, ready for his next adventure, knowing that he had once again made someone's day a little brighter. Sometimes he saved a flower garden, and other times he found lost things in the forest. In every city, village, and jungle, everyone loved Peelo helicopter, and so Peelo's journey continued, and he became the most beloved helicopter in the whole world.
So kids, this story teaches us the important lesson that helping others is both necessary and rewarding. Just like Peelo the helicopter fulfilled his dream while helping the children, we should also be considerate and kind in our own lives. Even if we face difficulties, with good intentions and courage, we can overcome any obstacles. Helping others not only benefits them but also brings happiness to us.